Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up Shopify store with Aliexpress. The first thing you will need to do is create a Shopify account if you don't have one already. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to go onto shopify.com and you'll be able to get access to their free trial period. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, as you will need to add an app that will allow you to import products onto your store from AliExpress. So you're going to tap on Add Apps. After tapping on Add Apps, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. Once you have selected Shopify App Store, what I want you to do next is you're going to simply tap on the search bar right here and you're going to select Finding Products. After selecting Finding Products, the app that we'll be using to import products from AliExpress will be Zappy. So you can tap on the search bar, or if you see it in your query right here, you can tap on it. So you're going to select Zappy. After selecting Install, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, I'm going to be selecting the free plan, as you can see right here. This will allow you to import 10 products, and you can also transact 5 orders per month on the free plan. So you're going to tap on Choose this plan. After selecting Choose this plan, all you'll need to do now, you can close the pop-up and you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you're going to tap on Find Product. After selecting Find Product, you're going to simply tap on the X to close the pop-up. Once you have closed the pop-up, you can see the different products that you can add. And all of these products are from AliExpress. So all you will need to do is simply tap on the search bar right here. After you have tapped on the search bar, from here, you can search for the products that you would like to add. If it is a case that you would like to paste in a link from AliExpress, you can do that. So for example, you could open a new tab and go onto AliExpress. And let's say, for example, I would like to add this product to my store. All you'll need to do is select the particular product that you would like to add to your store. Then from there, you're going to simply copy the URL. So I can copy the URL right here. After you have copied the URL, you'll go back into Zappy. Once in Zappy, all you'll need to do is simply paste in the link. So you're going to paste in the URL right there. Then you're going to tap on Enter. After you have tapped on Enter, you're going to be redirected to a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you're going to see the product that you have added. And you'll tap on Add to Import List. So you're going to tap on Add to Import List right there. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more. And you're going to tap on Product Center. After selecting Product Center, you can see the product right here. And all you'll need to do is tap on the arrow in line with the pencil that says Push to Store. And you're going to simply tap on Push to Store right here. And you can choose whether you'd like to continue selling when out of stock. So you can select that right there. Or if you like to push it as an unpublished product. We're going to push it as a published product. So we're going to tap on Push to Store. After selecting Push to Store, you're just going to wait a few seconds. You can see that the product has been added. So if we were to go over to the top left-hand corner and select Products, you can see the product right here. So this is how it looks. You can see that the product has now been added to our store. Once you have added your first product, you can continue to add up to 10 products. After you have added your products that you would like to start selling using Zappy, the next thing you will need to do, you need to customize how your store looks. To do this, you're going to tap on Online Store from the left-hand menu option, and you're going to automatically be redirected to the Themes page. Once on the Themes page, the normal theme that you'll get is done. If it is a case that you would like to change the theme, you can scroll down and you can see numerous free themes that you can use. After doing that, you're going to tap on Customize. Once you have selected Customize, you'll be redirected to the Editor page. On the Editor page, you'll be able to edit each section of your Shopify store. For example, if you would like to edit the announcement bar at the top right here, you can tap on announcement bar from the top left hand corner, and then from there you can start editing. You can change the background color and so on. And if it is a case that you would like to add text, you can tap right where you see welcome to our store, and from there you could type in the text that you would like to add, and you can also paste in the link if you would like to make it clickable. And you can change the different pages, so I could tap on home page and I could select products and then select default product, and from here we could edit the product page. By the way, if it is a case that you would like to change the font or any other thing, you can tap on the settings cog in the top left hand corner. From here you'll be able to add logos, you'll be able to set the color for your theme. You can also change the font size and style by tapping on typography, as you can see right here. So after you have set up the appearance of your website, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to be setting up the shipping. So to do this, you'll tap on settings in the bottom left hand corner. After selecting settings, you're going to tap on shipping and delivery. But before doing that, you will need to tap on payments. From here, you're going to activate PayPal. So this will allow you to receive payments from your customers using PayPal. You can also add other payment methods by tapping on add payment method, and then from there you can search for other payment methods and you can add them. After you have set up the different payment methods that you would like to use, you're going to tap on shipping and delivery. And then from here, if you would like to create different shipping zones, for example, let's say you want to ship internationally or so on, you can do that. All you'll need to do right where you see general all products, you're going to tap right there. At the moment, it is set up to only ship locally. So all we'll need to do is simply scroll down. Then from here, you can see international, and you can simply tap on show all, and you can set it up by tapping on go to market, and you can also add your rates. I have done in-depth tutorials showing you how to set up shipping, so for the sake of time, I won't do that now. Once you're finished, that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.